Water is vital for our bodies, comprising 70% of our composition. When we don't drink enough, our health suffers. Signs you're not drinking enough water include fatigue, headaches, and dry skin. Stay hydrated to flush out toxins and maintain overall well-being. What happens when you don't drink enough water daily? 1. Mouth dryness. If you feel dryness and stickiness in your mouth, it may signify you drink too little water. Your throat may also feel dry, and your mouth can't produce enough saliva. Drinking enough water can solve this issue and keep your mouth hydrated. Cold or sugary drinks won't help and may worsen the problem. Stick to plain water. 2. Dry and dull skin tone. Our body needs enough water for health and nourishment. Water contains many minerals and several components that your skin wants badly. If you have a dull and dry skin tone without any specific reason, you must know that you should drink more water. Early aging symptoms like wrinkles, dull skin tone, skin blemishes, etc., are the causes of the lack of water. So if you want healthy and glowing skin, start drinking water. You can also add fresh lime if you don't like plain water. 3. Joint pain. Our cartilage, muscles, and spinal discs are 70 to 80% water. Dehydration can lead to inflammation and chronic joint pain. While there are many causes of joint pain, insufficient water intake is one of them. Studies show people who stay hydrated have fewer joint issues. 4. Yellow urine color. The urine color describes many things about our health. That's why we have urine checkups whenever we feel anything wrong with our body. So if you are peeing with a dark yellow with brownish color, this is a major sign that your body is crying for help and demanding water. A healthy person's urine color should be light yellow. Still, if you are not having it or have never paid any attention, then now is the time that does not to ignore it because the kidneys eliminate all the toxins and other elements from your body. If you don't drink enough water, then it will affect your kidneys. 5. Less urge of urine. Urination is our body's normal process. A healthy person usually feels the urge to urinate 6 to 7 times in a single day. If you are feeling less than that, then increase the water intake. 6. Constipation. You may have heard about drinking 1 or 2 glasses of water hundreds of times after waking up or early in the morning. Well, this is because your body loses water during sweating and feels dehydrated at night. It is one of the primary reasons for constipation, and as we all know, it is a common but stubborn health issue, and millions of people have been facing it. Naturally, drinking enough water will help the stool to pass away from the intestine smoothly. 7. Feeling fatigued and tiredness. According to researchers, lack of water can cause fatigue and mental and physical tiredness. Your brain needs hydration to function properly, and dehydration can make it feel tired. So, whenever you feel lazy, inactive, tired, or stressed, drink a glass of water instead of coffee or tea. It will help you feel better and energized. 8. Weak immune system. A strong immune system is like a protective shield for our body and fights multiple infections and diseases. It is also a warning sign if you get sick early and constantly and signals a weak immune system. Try to drink more water because it will help reduce all the toxins, kick them out of your body, and increase your immunity naturally. 9. Headache. You can also have a headache whenever your brain gets less oxygen, and the body feels dehydrated. If you often feel a headache, then increase your regular water intake and try to avoid tea and coffee. You can have fresh herbal tea, lemon water, or fresh coconut water that works well. There are several options that can fulfill the lack of water, but never drink artificial drinks containing preservatives and sugar. 10. Digestive issues. Well, it is understandable that if you drink less water and have constipation, it will affect the digestive system too. When the intestine is not clean, it will always feel bloated, and that's why acidity and bloating in your stomach feel. Drinking enough water can solve the bowel system issue and make your digestive tract healthy. We hope this information helps you. While drinking excess water is not recommended, it is important to drink the required amount for your body. A healthy person typically needs 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. So, friends, we hope understanding the effects of not drinking enough water will benefit you.